Hello everyone, God bless you all. Today's video, I'm going to help you play the song Fresh Wind by Hillsong. Okay, let's start. Let's start with the intro. The intro has 7 chords: the F, the C, the G, the A minor, and then back to F, and then C, and then G. Okay? It sounds like this. And the strumming pattern is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? It sounds like this. Okay? The intro's F, then C, then G, then A minor, back to F, C, then G, and after that is the verse 1. Okay? Spirit sound, rushing wind, fire of God, fall within, Holy Ghost, breathe on us, we pray. Okay? And then second verse, as we repent, turn from sin, revival embers, smoldering, breath of God, fan us into flame. Okay, like that. Okay, that's the chords: the F, the C, the G, the A minor, and then back to F, the C, and the G. Same with the intro. Okay. Let's sing the verse 1 and verse 2. Spirit sound, rushing wind, fire of God, fall within, Holy Ghost, breathe on us, we pray. Second verse. As we repent, turn from sin, revival embers, smoldering, breath of God, fan us into flame. And then chorus. Again, the strumming pattern is up and down, up, down, up, down. Okay? And then we go to the chorus. We need a fresh wind, F, the fragrance of heaven, A minor. Pour your spirit out, C, pour your spirit out. Okay? The chorus is like this. We need a fresh wind, the fragrance of heaven, pour your spirit out, pour your spirit out. Okay, that's the chorus. Same chords with the verse, just like the verse. Okay, listen. Third verse. Same with the first verse and the second verse. For hearts that burn with holy fear, purified in faith and deep, refiner's fire, strengthen what remains. Verse 4. So we the church, superior light, lamp of flame, city bright, King and kingdom come is what we pray. Chorus. We need a fresh wind, the fragrance of heaven, pour your spirit out, pour your spirit out, a holy anointing, the power of your presence, pour your spirit out, pour your spirit out, pour your spirit out. And then bridge, same chords with the chorus. Let all down within, group desire and sing. We can hear the wind blowing that's the whole song. God bless everyone. If you like this video, click subscribe. God bless you.